Okay, so I have a very important question for you, Sarah. Have you ever stayed up until 3 in the morning watching TV?
Maybe once or twice. Or every weekend. Why do you ask?
Because today we are talking about movies and TV shows, and how to talk about them in English.
Welcome to English with William and Sarah. I'm Sarah, and this is your place to learn real, everyday English.
And I'm William. Today's episode is Level A2. That means it is great for beginners who already know some English.
We will teach you 6 very useful phrases for talking about entertainment. Stay until the end. We have a quiz.
Okay, Sarah. It's Friday night. What are we watching?
I want to binge watch that new drama everyone is talking about. I heard it has 10 episodes and they are all amazing.
10 episodes? That is a lot. Is it really worth watching? Or is it just popular because of social media?
It is 100% worth watching, William. The story is based on a true crime case from 2019. It's fascinating.
Oh, based on a true story? Okay, that does sound more interesting. But I don't want to watch something slow.
Slow? No. Every episode ends on a cliffhanger. You will not be able to stop watching, I promise you.
Okay, fine. But please, no spoiler alert moments. I hate when someone tells me what happens before I watch it.
I won't say anything. But episode 7, oh wow. There is the most incredible plot twist in the middle.
Sarah, that is already a spoiler. You said there is a plot twist. Now I know episode 7 is important.
Okay. I'm sorry. Let's just start watching. We can binge watch the first 3 episodes tonight.
Great conversation. Let's stop and look at our first 3 vocabulary phrases.
Number 1, binge watch. This means to watch many episodes in a row without stopping. For example, I binge watched the whole season last night.
Number 2, plot twist. A plot twist is a big surprise in the story. The story goes in a completely different direction. Example, nobody expected that plot twist at the end.
Number 3, cliffhanger. A cliffhanger is when an episode ends at a very exciting moment and you don't know what happens next. Example, the episode ended on a cliffhanger. Will she survive?
All right, let's continue our Friday night. We watched the first episode. What do you think, Sarah?
Amazing, right? I told you. And now you see why I want to binge watch the whole thing. Do you want to keep going?
I have to say, yes. It is definitely worth watching. I was wrong. The acting is fantastic and I love that it's based on a true story.
Right? And because it's based on real events, the drama feels more real. You feel like this actually happened.
I do. Okay, I want to keep watching. But can we get some food first? And please, no spoiler alert this time.
I promise. But William, the cliffhanger at the end of episode 3 is going to break your heart. Just warning you now.
Sarah, that is literally a spoiler alert. You just told me the cliffhanger is emotional.
Oh no. You are right. I'm sorry again. Okay, I will say nothing. Go get the food. I will hit play.
Now let's look at the last 3 phrases from today.
Number 4, spoiler alert. You say, spoiler alert, to warn people before you say something that reveals the story. Example, spoiler alert, the villain wins in the end.
Number 5, based on. You use this to say where a story comes from. Based on a book, based on real events, based on a true story. Example, this film is based on the life of Marie Curie.
And number 6, worth watching. If something is worth watching, it means your time is not wasted. It's good enough. Example, the film is 3 hours long, but it's worth watching every minute.
Now we will say each phrase slowly. Please repeat with us.
Binge watch.
I love to binge watch crime shows on the weekend.
Plot twist.
There was an incredible plot twist in the last episode.
Cliffhanger.
Every episode ends on a cliffhanger. I can't stop watching.
Spoiler alert.
Spoiler alert. She was the killer the whole time.
Based on.
The show is based on a famous true crime case.
Worth watching.
It is a little slow at the beginning, but it is definitely worth watching. Quiz time. I will give you a situation and you choose the correct word. Ready?
Question 1. You watched 15 episodes in one day. Which phrase describes what you did? Is it a binge watch or B, cliffhanger?
The answer is a binge watch. You binge watched 15 episodes. Well done if you got that one.
Question 2. An episode ends and you don't know if the hero is alive or dead. You have to watch the next one immediately. What is this called? A spoiler alert or B, cliffhanger?
The answer is B, cliffhanger. That exciting and unresolved ending is a cliffhanger. Perfect.
Last question. You are about to reveal the ending of a movie to your friend. What do you say first? Worth watching or B, spoiler alert?
The answer is B, spoiler alert. You warn your friend with spoiler alert before you tell them what happens. Great job.
That's all for today's episode. You learned 6 great phrases for talking about movies and TV shows in English.
Try to use one of these phrases today. Tell a friend about a show you like. Is it worth watching? Does it have a good plot twist?
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and share with a friend who is learning English. See you next time.
And I'm going to go binge watch the rest of that show. Goodbye, everyone.